When your heating system stops working, comfort quickly turns into frustration. No heat, uneven temperatures, or strange noises can signal a problem that needs immediate attention. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, rely on PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for fast, reliable heating system repair. Our experienced technicians quickly diagnose the issue and identify the most effective solution. From faulty components to airflow issues, we handle a wide range of heating system problems with precision and care. We ensure your system is restored safely and operating at peak performance. In no time, your home is warm and comfortable again. Reliable heat means peace of mind during Pennsylvania's coldest days. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations and dependable service you can trust. Don't wait in the cold, get your heating system fixed today. Can a new heating system reduce energy bills? Yes. Modern high-efficiency systems use less energy, helping lower heating costs. Should I replace my thermostat when installing a new heating system? Yes. Upgrading to a programmable or smart thermostat can improve system performance and energy efficiency. Can I install a heating system myself? Professional installation is strongly recommended to ensure safety, efficiency, and compliance with local codes. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.